In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your PlayStation 4 ejecting disk. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you some tips that you can use to fix any issues attributed to your PlayStation 4 ejecting game disks. Some of these will be done digitally through the actual software of your console, while others will actually have to be done by opening it up. Keep in mind that opening your console might void the warranty. I am not responsible for any damages that you do while trying this process. So for the simple fixes and the ones that I would recommend, first, power cycle your PlayStation 4. Turn it off completely and leave it unplugged for a few minutes. After it is done, plug it back in and try playing a game or doing anything inside of your console for a while. This can sometimes clear temporary glitches. The next thing is to actually check the disk itself. Ensure that the disk is clean, free of scratches, and inserted correctly. You can also try a different disk, and this will allow you to determine if the issue is with a specific disk or with the actual disk reader on your console. If it is working for other disks, then the specific disk that you were getting ejected from the PlayStation 4 is going to be the issue, so you need to replace that. Alternatively, you can move on to some other options. Update the system software on your PlayStation 4. The system software affects things like performance, new tools, new features, and of course, it is also going to contain a lot of bug fixes. So, if the ejecting disk issue that you are having is attributed to an old version of the software, make sure that you keep it up to date. The last thing that you can do is going to revolve around tightening the manual eject screw. So there is a screw on the bottom of the console for manual disk ejection. If that is loose, just tighten it carefully using a Phillips screwdriver. The last option that you have is to try to place the PlayStation 4 vertically. Standing the console upright might improve disk stability and reduce ejections. And of course, you should only do this if it is safe and stable. Besides all of this, I would highly suggest contacting Sony support or a professional repair service, as anything else that you can do from this point onwards would revolve around opening the console and messing with the disk reader, and I cannot give you basic instructions in this sort of video. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix PlayStation 4 ejecting disk. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.